Iggy's Wrecking Balls was originally an acclaimed title published on the N64 in 1999. 15 years has passed since then, and we want to bring Iggy's into the current generation, which means current generation consoles, HD graphics, and online multiplayer. Iggy's is a fast-action platformer racing game filled with cartoony and silly environments, hoping to make every moment fun. For our online multiplayer, not only do we want player versus player, but we also want a group versus group, which allows one set of group of friends to face off against another set of group of friends, allowing for simultaneously 8 players to face off all at once.
We wanted to create something for a more mature audience by fusing some realism in with the cartoony look of the original N64 title. After creating Iggy, we found that this art style transfers well to the other characters as well as the enemies in the game.
On Easy Street, we tried to stay as true to the original as possible, while updating the tracks and backgrounds. For later environments, we came in with new designs, much like our Easy Street environment. We also decided to reimagine some of the tracks. Downtown now has much more of an Art Deco feel to it.
As a company, Throwback has a lot riding on the success of Iggy's. We needed a cutting-edge backend. That led to a new model of implementing Docker and Kubernetes to manage our clusters and bring the platform to the current generation on Azure.
For our Unreal networking layer, we wanted a platform that can scale, provide security, and stability. This all led us to Red Hat, which was a perfect complement. Red Hat really impressed us with its enterprise-grade support. We were surprised to learn that Red Hat and Azure support teams resided in the same office.
A lot has changed in gaming since the original Iggy's came out. As such, it was a challenge to update the controls and modernize the gameplay while still retaining the core values of what made the original Iggy's special. We're looking to continue to support Iggy's into the future with the addition of DLC packs including new characters, new game modes, and more interesting levels.
Fans can expect to see Iggy's Wrecking Balls this fall 2016. That's 1 down, 186 to go.
There was a lot of pressure working on such a classic title as this, trying to modernize it while still retaining what was special and important. At Throwback, we combine the best parts of Iggy's from the past with current Azure technology to create a game for the ages.